I've been staying at the cutest little farmhouse. Here it is. And we've had a great time. Hey adventurers, today we're on our way to northern Georgia. We're going to be staying just south of the Chattanooga area where we're going to be doing some hiking and going to a wedding. But first we have a 12-hour drive ahead of us. Let's get going. Little Airbnb. We got here yesterday. Today was the wedding that I had in the morning, and now it's so nice out, so I think we're all gonna go hike. We're probably actually gonna cross over the borders and go to Tennessee to do a hike, so I'll bring you along with me. So we got back from the hike and it was pretty nice. So if I were to rate the hike, I'd give it 3 out of 5 stars because it had decent views of the lake around Tennessee, but it was kind of overgrown a little bit and not the best views, and it was 3.2 miles, so yeah. These mornings are just so peaceful here. It's another beautiful day here in northern Georgia, and today we're gonna go hiking on Sitton's Trail, so let's go. And showered off. It was a pretty good hike. I would give it like 4 out of 5. The trails were really wide, which was super nice, and it was really well maintained. It ended up being about 5 miles, and yeah, that's about it. So now we're gonna go get some food in Chattanooga, and I'm really excited for this, so let's go. So we ended up going to a place called Sluggo's Vegan Kitchen for lunch, and it was really good. If you go there, I really recommend getting the Thai spicy sweet chili bowl. That's this one right here. It was amazing. This past few days has been perfect out here. I think this place is amazing if you're coming from a city and you just want to relax and recharge for a bit. I mean, the scenery is gorgeous, there's great hiking, and it's so nice to just come outside and just relax. So that was it for this time. Join me next time and see where I head next.